Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia. If you are new here, welcome. Also consider subscribing, it's free. So on today's video, we are going to see why Jamaicans are in shock as deportation begins after Donald Trump wins election. So before I start the video, kindly consider subscribing. Jamaicans in the United States are waking up to a grim reality: deportations. Following Donald Trump's return to the White House, immigration policies are tightening, leaving many in shock. But why? And how did we get here? So, Donald Trump's victory set ripples across immigrant communities, especially those from Jamaica, and his administration wasted no time reinstating strict policies that target undocumented immigrants, green card holders with minor legal infractions, and even some people who believed they were safe. So Donald Trump said that he will enforce immigration laws like never before and no exemptions. And guys, let me tell you one thing. For many, the shock is not just about being deported. It's about how quickly their lives have been uprooted. Families are being separated, and entire communities are being torn apart. The Trump's administration has revived policies that disproportionately impact Caribbean nations. A key focus is on the Criminal Alliance Program, which prioritizes the deportation of individuals with any criminal record, no matter how minor it is. Jamaicans are heavily affected due to outdated systems that don't account for rehabilitation or contribution to the society. Even minor offenses can lead to deportations. And also, you should know that the deportations are not just a US issue. They are also straining Jamaica's resources. And the deportees often return to a country they are barely known, with no support system. Jamaican communities are speaking out. Protests have erupted across major US cities, calling for humane immigration policies and highlighting the injustice of mass deportations. And me, as an African, I urge the US to reconsider its approach. Those are human lives and not just numbers. And so, as Jamaicans grapple with the shock of deportations, the message is clear. This is not just about immigration laws, it's about humanity, fairness, and the right to a better life. So, what are your thoughts on these deportations? Should the system be reformed? Let me know in the comments below. And one thing you should know is that Jamaicans are not alone. Immigrants from various nations are experiencing similar fates, but the shock among Jamaicans is magnified because of their deep rooted ties with the United States. And many have contributed to American culture, music, and society in profound ways. Jamaicans have helped shape America's identity. From reggae to cuisine to entrepreneurship, their impact is undeniable. And deporting them disrupts not just families, but communities and businesses. So, if you or someone you know is at risk, now is the time to act. Seek legal advice, stay informed about your rights, and connect with organizations that can help. And to everyone who is watching this video, just know that this is not just a Jamaican issue, it's a human issue. Communities must come together to push for compassionate immigration reform that respects the dignity of every individual. And while the shock of this deportation is real, so the resilience of the Jamaican spirit, whether in the US or back home, Jamaicans have always found ways to rise above diversity. So, let this be a reminder. No matter where we are, our strength lies in unity, community, and hope. Together, we can overcome even the toughest challenges. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. If this story touched you, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more powerful stories from around the world. See you in the next video. Bye bye.